Hello medics. Right now we are going to go through the pleura, its layers, the visceral and the parietal layers that make up the pleura. When you watch this video, don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment. So the pleura consists of two layers. We have the visceral layer and the parietal layer, of which today our emphasis is going to be on the parietal layer. It's the one that is being tagged. But anyway, let us go through a brief view about the visceral layer. The visceral layer is that layer, or the visceral pleura is that part or layer of the pleura that is firmly attached onto the surface of the lungs. For it is thinner than the parietal layer, and it is firmly attached except at two regions, the region of the hilum and the point of attachment of the pulmonary ligament. So let us go to the parietal layer. For the parietal layer, it is thicker than the visceral pleura, and it lines the walls of the pulmonary cavity. For it has four subdivisions, just like the way we've tagged. We have the costal pleura, that is number 3, as you can see in between the ribs. We have the diaphragmatic, that is diaphragmatic pleura, that is number 4. Mediastinal pleura, number 2. And the cervical pleura in the cervical region, that is number 1. So now let us go through a brief talk of each of them. So for the costal pleura, it lines the inner surface of the thoracic wall. Remember what makes up the wall of the thorax? We have the ribs. So for it is attached onto the inner surface of the thoracic wall, and it is loosely attached by a thin layer of loose alveolar tissue, the endothoracic fascia. So number 3 is the costal pleura. Then diaphragmatic pleura, which is number 4. For the diaphragmatic pleura, it covers the superior surface of the diaphragm. This is the superior surface of the diaphragm. So number 4 is the diaphragmatic pleura. And this one right here, the inner surface of the wall of the thorax, then it's by the costal pleura. Then mediastinal pleura, this is the mediastinum, which is that space that is in between the two lungs. So the pleura that lines that area is called the mediastinal pleura, and it forms the lateral boundary of the mediastinum. Then we have the cervical pleura, number 1. The cervical pleura, for it is the dome of the parietal pleura, and it extends into the root of the neck. As you can see, it is extending above into the root of the neck, about 2.5 centimeters above the medial end of the clavicle. So I want to illustrate how it happens there. This is the medial end of the clavicle, but it is about 2.5 centimeters above. So this distance right there, we estimate it to be 2.5 centimeters above the medial end of the clavicle. And then about 5 centimeters above the first costal cartilage. This is the first rib and its first costal cartilage. So we estimate it to be about 5 centimeters above the first costal cartilage. So it is called the cupula and covers the apex of the lung, and therefore utmost caution should be applied while handling such an area. So that is all about the pleura, together with its layers, specifically the parietal layer, as the emphasis of this video was. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment. Thank you for watching.